How to sort your data in Smartsheet. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can sort your data in Smartsheet. So let's get started. First of all, open your Smartsheet account and then open the respective sheet in which you wish to sort the data in. So once you click on that sheet, you'll be able to see that there are a couple of options over here. So you're going to select the column of which you wish to sort the data for. So for example, if you're going to select the column 1, then that means that all of the rows associated with the column would be sorted automatically. Now, in order to do that, you need to first select the column. In my case, I'm sorting according to the column 1. So I'm going to just select the column 1 and then click on it, right click on it, and then find the option that says row actions. So just click on row actions. And once you click on row actions, so what it basically means is that all of the rows associated with it would be sorted. So just click on sort rows, and here are a couple of options that you can sort items by. So the first, just click on the combo box and then click on column 1. Now it specifies that according to which column you need to sort your data. So I'm just going to click on column 1 and then click on either sort ascending or sort descending. You can even select some other triggers by clicking on these other combo boxes and then just click on OK. And now you can see that first it was 1, 71 and 2, but now it is 1, 2 and 71 because this column has been sorted according to ascending order. So, and all of the other rows associated with it have been sorted automatically. So that was how you can sort data in Smartsheet. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.